Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on exporting your iMovie projects as video files on iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are finished editing your video, you may be wondering how to export it as a finished video. To do it, tap the Done button at the top left of the editor to go back to the project overview. On the overview of the project, tap the Share icon at the bottom. Tap Options if you want to edit the resolution and frame rate of the exported video. Tap Done once finished. You can now share your video directly to social media, or tap Save Video to save the video to your camera roll. You can now find the exported video in your photo library. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.